Hey guys, my name is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft. We've got a really exciting new piece of inventory. This is a 2025 XT23. This is the first 2025 XT that we have here at the Fort Worth store. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the new features. Alright guys, on the back of the boat you can see that we have optioned the interior right here with the color matching scheme throughout. This is going to be all cool feel material, so it's going to be that nice Mastercraft. It's going to stay 30% cooler in that Texas heat whenever you're out there. We do have a Z8 tower with two clip speakers up here. Clips up their wattage on their speakers, so these are really nice, sounds great, as well as the standard clamping board racks from Mastercraft. And then we've also got some stuff at the Helm to check out. Alright guys, as you can see on the Helm, things have changed a lot from the 2024 Mastercraft. So we do have a rotary encoder that you can use to control everything on the screen. We have one single screen that's going to have your surf and all of the stuff that you're going to need, music, and your charts and plots as well. We do have the awesome active view mirror from Mastercraft, as well as up here in the bow we do have the XT23. It has that traditional bow look to it, so it's that really clean Mastercraft look, but you still get a ton of seating up here. You can fit 2 to 3 adults up here. Again, this is a 2025 Mastercraft XT23 here at MarineMax Texas Mastercraft. My name is Tyler Smith. You guys give me a call, we can get you squared away.